guys, Sam again from the Body Centre. As you can see behind me, we have a lovely Land Rover Discovery 5. Now, the Disco 5, as soon as I see one, as soon as I think of one, as soon as someone talk about one, all you think about is the wonky number plate. So many people complain about that, say that it's off-putting to buy the car, they don't like it, don't know why Land Rover done it. So guess what we're doing today? We're getting it in the middle. We're gonna be centralizing the rear number plate. This is a conversion kit, so we're now gonna go into the workshop and we're gonna show you the full procedure on what has to happen to get this number plate in the center, how probably 90% of people think it should be. Now, I need to get in the workshop as well because it's about -5 out here and I am freezing. Let's go into the workshop, let's go see Ben. So guys, we are now in the panel department. As a lot of you may know, we are the Jaguar and Land Rover authorised repairer, so the vehicle is in the best hands. Now I know this isn't an OEM conversion, but it's still in the best hands because of our products and our experience with Ben, the best looking panel beater in the UK. There he is. Look at that beard. Look at that beard. So what do we have here? We have a stencil, very flimsy stencil. I don't think Ben's going to use that. We have an inlay trim. We have a new center number plate conversion trim. We have a gasket. We have some cutting equipment and we have some bond. Let's get into the video and start cutting this tailgate up. Let's go, Ben.
Okay, let's try this.
So guys, we've now come to the end of the video. I hope you've all enjoyed this process. We have thoroughly enjoyed it. It's actually the first one that we've ever done. Believe it or not, I reckon we have worked on thousands of Disco 5s, but it's actually now come to the point where we've got the chance to complete the center plate conversion. If you have a Disco 5 and your off-centered plate is really frustrating you, you now know you can come to the Jaguar and Land Rover authorised repair for the whole of East of England to have this conversion done. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, comment on all our social media pages. We really appreciate it, and we will see you next time.